So what I'm going to do here is show you how to make your basic Blink Arduino using the Tinkercad's circuits. So click into circuits first, and then we're going to click on create a new circuit. Now it does take a little while for it to load up the first time because everything is stored online. Now over here we do have the ability to look through all of our components. There are some more advanced components in here. We're going to stay on the basics for now. As you go down here, you see all the different ones we have available to us. We're going to focus on the Arduino and breadboard and the LEDs. So let's bring up Arduino out into the area. Just click and drag it. And we're also going to bring a small breadboard and just adjust these around so you have some space to work with. Now you'll notice that the Arduino, you can see it's got rails here which we can actually click and it snaps to it, so we'll connect this negative to the ground pin. Then we'll bring out an LED and we'll position the LED so that it snaps into two of the other pins. We can go now grab one resistor here and we're going to line it up. Notice once again it snaps in place. We're going to make sure it lines up with the negative rail and the LED. Over here we're actually going to find where we can change the size of our resistor, and in this case we're doing 200 ohms. Notice it's all done by drop downs. On the other side we're going to click and drag another wire over to 13, so pin 13. But up here we have the code. Now the first time you click into the code it will automatically go into Scratch. We have choice of text and code or just text, and we're going to take the text. It's going to give you this warning that we're going to wipe it out, but that's okay. Now here we have the basic setup for the Blink code pre-made for us. You can see where it says digital pin 13 high. That's going to tell it to turn on the light. It's going to delay it. Then digital 13 low, it will turn off the light and then delay again. This is all in part of the loop. The loop's going to run every time that we play it. So now we hit simulate circuit. It plugs our Arduino in and the light should start blinking for us once every second. So that is your basic blink over here. We can stop it. Now you can try changing these numbers, so change it to say 500 on the delays and see what happens when we push start again. And you notice that now it's only half a second between blinks. And we stop the simulation. And the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to change this to actually operate off of pin 12. So we're not restricted to just one pin. So we'll change each of these 13s to 12 and we'll drag the wire over just one spot from 13 to 12. When we click start simulation, now you can see we're actually getting it to blink off of 12. So that is the basic Blink on Tinkercad.